Salam sejahtera. My name is Ong Singi. My number matrix is C21A2411. I'm a group leader for this group. Today, we will discuss about the topic is communication skills, blind drawing. Now, our group member, Nur Ashraf Hakim bin Safwan, will continue our presentation.
Okay, next we go to the objective and learning outcome. First is to improve communication skill. Second is to mastering effective communication skill that with eye contact. Next is to build communication and interaction networks to improve the quality of work. Next is two ways communication prevent misunderstanding. And the last is build the ability to present argument and opinion. Okay, so we move to the class size. Okay, the number of participants that involved in this simulation activity is 6 people. There is one member as a timekeeper, and the other one member as a partner for blind drawing activity. The other members as a painting guest during the activity. So that's it. Okay, thank you.
Our group, which is Group 7, agreed to choose online to conduct our activity using Google Meet. We choose Google Meet as a platform for the activity because Google Meet is free for all Google users and easy to use. It is better video and audio quality and overall performance, and security is guaranteed. It is very useful visual meeting tools for us. Also, we choose online because all of the group members are in different states and far away from each other, which is from Kuala Lumpur, Johor, Selangor and Sabah. We also did not return to campus yet for some reason, and for that reason we agreed to continue this simulation activity, blind drawing game with online. Therefore, our group conducted to this activity in their respective homes, so that all members of our group are able to participate in the activity that we went to do. Also, there are various challenges while doing activity online. We still strive to make this activity succeed to complete this task perfectly.
Next is materials and equipment needed. These are the materials that our group use. First is A4 paper, 3 sheets of paper. Second is a pen, a face mask for eye cover. Fourth is mobile phone to record the drawing. Next is mobile phone holder to hold the mobile phone. 6 is WhatsApp to inform friends to enter the Google Meet. 7 is Google Meet to carry out activities. 8 is screen recorder to record Google Meet. The last one is laptop or phone to enter Google Meet. Next is duration. 15 to 20 minutes is all the activity we use. 5 minutes for briefing and setup on Google Meet. Second is 10 minutes the games. The host will draw and the participants will have to guess. And the last one is 2 minutes to announce the winner. That's all. Thank you.
Now, I will present about the topic is step to the conducted simulation. The participants should stay in the WhatsApp group before their name will call. The participant will join the game when their name will call from WhatsApp group. While one participant begin call to enter the Google Meet, the other participant cannot join at the same time. The participant took time to briefing the activity. Blind drawing games was 3 minutes. Each participant took times for playing the game was 15 seconds. A participant will get 3 drawings and each drawing will get 5 seconds to answer the drawing. The hosts are conducted to draw and the participant would tell the drawing while the host will write the marks. If the answers are true, The host will give 5 marks, but if the answer of the participant is wrong, they do not get any marks. The next topic is rules. Cannot ask other participants from WhatsApp or any kind of social media. Cannot ask the judges for extra marks. Cannot ask host or judgment for the clue. No more than 5 seconds to guess the drawing during the game. Must open the camera and mic from the Google Meet during the game. Follow the rules or disqualify.
Why is this game called blind drawing? It is because in this game, the painter has to close their eyes while drawing with one line drawing. Then, the player has to guess what is the painter's drawing. After the player is instructed to enter the Google Meet space via a message on WhatsApp, the player will see a painter and a timekeeper. All drawing equipment such as A4 paper and pencil will be provided by the painter to start the blind drawing game, while their eyes were covered before they started the drawing, and then the player will have to guess the drawing. Once the painter finished the drawing, the player had to guess the drawing. Some of the players will laugh and some of them surprised because the result of the drawing was not like what it was supposed to be drawn. This shows the communication is important in doing this activity. The implementation of this blind drawing game is very challenging to all members of the group. This is because if one of the players from the group suddenly disconnected while the game is started, it will be difficult to continue the game. Therefore, communication between the players and the host is very important in this activity. Another thing of playing games online is internet disruption. Internet problems are very common while doing online. For example, during a blind drawing activity or game, some players got internet problem, so that they cannot concentrate during the game. This caused the game take quite a while to solve this problem. Also, during the briefing before the game is started as well, it should not take long time, but there is an internet problem causing the briefing presenter that have to repeat the briefing for several times for the players so that the players understand how to play the game. Also, when the host instructs the player to enter Google Meet one by one, each players need to pay attention to WhatsApp group message to get instruction. If they got internet problem, it must be difficult for them.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Atika binti Azran and my number metric is T21A2148. Next is interregion process. What question to ask? First is what skills are needed to succeed as a group. Second is what is the role played by the public. Third is what did each group member learn about himself as an individual. Fourth is what are other situations either online or at home such as blind drawing. Fifth is how did you feel when you first tried to quest. Sixth is what are some of the challenges of doing these activities. 7 is what advice would you give to other groups that carry out these activities. 8 is how can you apply what you just learned about other challenges you face. 9 is what surprised you about these activities. And the last one but not least is what was one positive thing that happened during the challenges.
Now, I will present about the topic is the rationale of the simulation. First, simple activity but powerful exercise for test our mind. Second, the activity has to communicate in the group. Third, players need to guess fast, concentrate and be patient. Fourth, the importance of this activity is can improve the leadership, teamwork, understanding and the intelligent mind. Fifth, this activity can also help people to follow the instruction very well. The next topic is the answer to simulation. The member who carry out this activity has to draw by closing both of the eyes using the ice cover so that the drawer draw is not perfect, and it makes this activity quite difficult. In addition, the time given to guess the drawing is for 5 seconds only, and the player has to guess the drawing quickly. Therefore, more focus and mental efficiency are important in this activity. The opportunity was also only given 3 times, and the participant who answered correctly for all 3 drawings was counted as the winner. That's all slide was shown and presented for our group member. Thank you for watching and listening.